Hello, Guy Tucker, Dynamics TV, coming to you from the Hannover Messe in Germany. This is one of the world's largest trade shows dedicated to the manufacturing industry, and it's the site of Microsoft's pre-release of Dynamics AX 2012, an ERP solution designed to meet the unique needs of this challenging industry. So fasten your belts as we get our arms around this exciting new release of Dynamics AX 2012.
If you look at systems, especially in manufacturing companies, most of them are systems that have been built and installed in the 80s. It's spaghetti code most of the time, so not very easy to maintain, hard to change, so there's middleware required in order to synchronize the data from one place to another. And BI, which is a very strategic component, a very important component, is in most of the cases an afterthought.
So how does Dynamics AX 2012 help in this situation?
Dynamics AX is a very powerful system which contains a lot of industry solutions. And what we did with AX 2012, we brought all these industry solutions together in one industry layer. We provide the ability for customers to implement mixed mode manufacturing, so to run process manufacturing as well as discrete manufacturing in one application in 38 countries and over 40 languages.
In this industry, market conditions change fast. Dynamics AX 2012 gives manufacturers the agility they need to respond quickly and efficiently.
They need to react more or less on the demand from the customer side. I think we are trying to help the clients to speed up the business process, make it easier, make it predictable, get a better overview about the historic and also an outlook to the future.
Dynamics AX 2012 brings much needed simplicity to this complex industry.
We are knowing about the simplicity of Microsoft things, so it helps them ramp up to things very, very fast.
How does it do that?
Oh, as soon as you open applications, you find that manufacturers are so confident, they have a very familiar look and feel, and it's so intuitive that if they want to do something, they don't have to go into any specific training because they have already used Microsoft Word and things like that, before.
If everything looks very familiar, people are not afraid to use the system. And I think the integration with our Office capabilities and our Office tool helps a lot to get the user adaptability. If you can really integrate and export an Excel spreadsheet and really run your planning and simulation outside the ERP and then put it back into the ERP that you have a common base of knowledge, I think this is a big difference compared to what we're seeing so far.
It's so fast. They can start using AX12 within days of their implementation.
So it sounds like Dynamics AX 2012 is really positioned to help meet the needs of manufacturers today. What do you see looking into the future and the ways in which Dynamics AX is going to meet the needs and the future needs of manufacturers around the world?
We have a lot of exciting things coming up which are in the pipeline. The younger workforce, as they join, they are coming with an age where they're using already a lot of social networking tools. So we are incorporating these things. On the platform, a lot of gesture-based user interfaces would come in. You think about Kinect. Kinect can be a potential driving force on our manufacturing. The users don't have to enter that on the keyboard. They don't have to use touchscreen. You make a hand to the stop and the machine will stop because they will identify your gesture. We want to identify ourselves closely with the different nuances of manufacturing functionalities, what the manufacturers need. And we will continue to invest in this.